Hey kids! Are you enjoying the summer? It's important to have fun, but we need to remember to stay safe in extreme heat. Today, we're going to talk about how to avoid heat stroke. Let's get started. Introduction. Heat stroke happens when our bodies get too hot, and it can be dangerous. But don't worry, we have some easy tips to help you stay cool and avoid heat stroke. Step 1. Stay hydrated. The first tip is to drink plenty of water. When it's hot outside, our bodies sweat a lot, and we need to replace that lost water. Remember to drink water even if you don't feel thirsty. Carry a water bottle with you and take sips throughout the day. Step 2. Wear light clothing. Next, let's talk about what to wear. Choose lightweight, loose-fitting clothes made of breathable fabrics like cotton. These fabrics help your body stay cool by allowing air to circulate around your skin. Step 3. Seek shade. When the sun is scorching, it's essential to find shade. If you're playing outside, take breaks under a tree or an umbrella. Spending too much time under the direct sun can make your body overheat, so find shade to give yourself a break from the heat. Step 4. Limit outdoor activities. Teacher. Another tip is to limit your outdoor activities during the hottest parts of the day, usually between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. This is when the sun is at its strongest, and the heat can be overwhelming. Try to schedule outdoor playtime in the early morning or late afternoon when it's cooler. Step 5. Use sunscreen. Don't forget to protect your skin. Apply sunscreen with a high SPF, sun protection factor, before going outside. Sunburns can make it harder for your body to cool down, so sunscreen is an important defense against heat stroke. Step 6. Stay cool indoors. You can also take cool showers or use a damp cloth to help lower your body temperature. Step 7. Recognizing heat stroke. Finally, it's important to know the signs of heat stroke. If you or someone else experiences a throbbing headache, dizziness, rapid breathing, confusion, or even fainting, it could be a heat stroke. If this happens, find an adult and ask for help immediately. Step 8. Closing. Remember, staying safe in extreme heat is all about taking care of ourselves. By staying hydrated, wearing light clothing, seeking shade, limiting outdoor activities, using sunscreen, staying cool indoors, and recognizing the signs of heat stroke, we can enjoy the summer while keeping our bodies safe and healthy. Children smiling and playing safely. Have a great summer and stay cool. See you next time.